Hello dear students, welcome to the new session of the Digital Electronics and Number System. The first is, what is number system? Number system is a method of representing the numbers using symbols for both the mathematics and also the computer science. So here there are the two different types of the number system. One is called the positional number system, one more is non-positional number system. So Roman number system is an example for the non-positional number system. The positional number systems, the examples which are the decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Let's begin with the first number system, that is called the decimal number system. This is the foundation of all the number system. The decimal number system, it has a 10 numbers, starts from the 0 to 9. Hence, its base or radix it is 10. The positional values are expressed in the powers of 10. So this is an example for the decimal number system. So the number is 442.76. So in this example, the 5 is a positions of an 100 place, 4 is a positions of the 10th place, 2 is the position of the unit place, 7 is the position of the 1/10th place, and the 6 is the position of the 100 place. The first number 5 is the positions of the 100 place, so that the 5 into the 10 to the power of 2 value is at 500. Then the second number, the 4, it is a 10 place, so that the 4 into the 10 to the power of 1 value is the 40. Then the 2, it is a unit place, that is 10 to the power of 0. 2 into the 10 to the power of 0, so that is a 2. Then the 7, it is a 1/10th position, means 7 into the 10 to the power of -1. The last digit is a 6, it is a 100th position, so 6 into the 10 to the power of -2. All together, and we can get the value 542.76. Then the second number system is a binary number system. It has the two numbers, that is 0 or a 1. Hence, its base or radix is a 2. The positional values are expressed in the powers of. This is an example for the binary number system. 110, 11.101. So from the decimal point, to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4 are the weights of these numbers. From the decimal point to the right side, to the power -1, to the power -2 and to the power -3. The last row, it represents the values of these weights. So for example, 2 power 4 represents the 16, 2 power 3 represents 4, 2 power 2 represents 2 power 3 represents 8, 2 power 2 represents 4, 2 power 1 represents the 2, 2 power 0 represents 1. Same as like that, 2 power -1 represents the 0.5, 2 power -2 represents 0.25, then 2 power 3 represents the 0.125. The next is the octal number system. So octal number system has 8 digits from the 0 to 7. Hence, its base or radix is an 8. The positional values are expressed in the powers of 8. So consider an example for this octal number system, 234.56. So in the first digit, 2. So it combines with the weights of this octal number system, that is 8 power 2. Second digit, that is a 3, into the weights of this octal number system, that is 8 power 1. Then 4 into the weight of this octal number system, that is 8 power 0. From the decimal point, represents the weights of these numbers 0, 1, 2. So its corresponding values 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and 8 power 2. From the decimal point to the right side, it represents the minus 1 and minus 2, so that 5 into 8 power minus 1 and 6 into the 8 power minus 2. Next number system is the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system has a 16 digits, starts from 0 to 15. Hence, its base or radix is an 16. Here the digits A, B, C, D, E and F have the decimal equivalents of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and the 15 respectively. So then the example for this, the hexadecimal number system, 5AF point B. From the decimal point, the weights represents as 0, 1 and 2. So that the first digit 5 represents 5 into the 16 power 2. Then the second value A. A means the 10. 10 into the 16 power of 1. Then F. F means the 15 into the 16 power 0. From the decimal point to the right side, so that is minus 1. So that D means a 13 into the 16 to the power of minus 1. So these are all example for this hexadecimal number system. So this is brief summary of this number system. So first number system is a decimal number system. Its base or radix is a 10. The digits are 0 to 9. The second number system is a binary. Its base is a 2. The digits which are 0 and 1. Then go to the third number system, that is octal. Its base or radix is an 8. The digits are 0 to 7. Then go to the fourth number system is a hexadecimal number system. Here the base or radix is an 16. The digits are 0 to 9 and the A to F. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, please do contact me. Thank you.